Alright, what's going on YouTube? So, this is another video that I'm doing today. Today I'm actually going to go into what exactly is going on when we're doing double digit multiplication. So, the last video I basically showed you guys a way of multiplying if you don't know your tables. We kind of assuming now that you know all your tables or you know how to get the answer to most of these multiplications. So now we're going to go into two double digit multiplications just so you guys can kind of understand what is really going on and why we do every individual step. So in class, how I teach it is the first thing I tell the class to do is they look at the bottom numbers. So in this particular case, we have two bottom numbers. We have the 2 and the 4. So that tells me that I'm going to have two answers, right? I'm going to have one here for the ones, and this second number tells me I'm going to have another answer down here for the tens. Now, what I like to show my students is basically explain to them that this problem is exactly like doing 36 times 20 and 36 times 4. It's the exact same problem. So basically, if you think about it, 24 is 24. That's what it is. So it's really two problems. You got the 20s and you got the 4. So I explain to my students that if you break it down, you do the 4 by itself, and then you do the 20. We'll work on this one first. 4 times 6, you get 24. You always carry the number. I always tell the kids, always carry the number no matter what, just so they can get used to it, because those are usually the mistakes that they make. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. So I got one answer already. Now, this is very key, especially for the parents when you're helping out your students. You gotta get them to remember that whenever they see a 0, ignore the 0. It's like they're just looking at the 2. So I tell them, only look at the digits. So in this particular case, we would do 2 times 6 is 12, carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1, 7. And the 0, you just add it. If there's 2 zeros, you add 2 zeros. If there's 3 zeros, you add 3 zeros. In this case, it's just 1, so we add a 0. So now, I tell them that this is the exact same thing that we're doing in this particular case. 4 times 6 is a 24. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2 is a 14. So now, the reason we add a 0 here is because this is really 20. A 20 would have a 0. We're done with the 1 here. We don't need to see it. So in reality, now we're looking at a 20. Just like we added a 0 here, we're going to have to add a 0 here. But we do it in the beginning of the problem, just so they don't forget this. Once we add it, then we can go ahead and multiply the digits just like we did on the other side, which we already know 2 times 6 is 12. This turns into a 1. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. And just like here, 20 and 4 are combined to make 24, same thing. We have one answer for the 4 and one answer for the 20, so we have to combine it. That's why we add this at the end. So a lot of students don't understand why we're adding a 0 or why they have to add. But this is just so you understand. We're combining this answer and this answer. We got this answer, and now we just got to put it together to get the total. And we get 864. So that's the way I teach it. It's just a breakdown on what exactly is going on in each individual step. And obviously, if you have 3 numbers on the bottom, then you have a third step. But now there's going to be 2 zeros because now you're in the hundreds. Vice versa, you go to thousands. And you just basically repeat it. But I just want you guys to understand the fundamentals of why we're adding, why we put a 0 into any power. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, if there's anything you want me to particularly do on the topic or any type of math problem, feel free to leave me a comment and I will do my best to do a video. Thank you guys again. Have a great day.